man, this is about to be one of the longest bridges we've gone across. Hopefully we'll see a sign soon that says 4 rivers on it and we'll know we're good. And rain is coming. The faster we get somewhere that's not the middle of nowhere, the better. Whoa, 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 guys. It looks like we're going across this bridge. Hold on. Yeah, it just connects straight into the bridge. Oh man, this is about to be one of the longest bridges we've gone across. This is cool. Whoa. What are those? The map is telling me I wasn't supposed to go across the bridge, but I don't care. It wasn't that hard to get here and it's really cool. And there's an E-Mart over there. I can buy some stuff. It's the first convenience store I've ran into today. And I think there's a bathroom. I can use that as well. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm glad we came across. This is cool. I don't know what the big balls are on top, but for sure it's interesting. Very, very, I want to say unique, at least for me. It's not anything that I've seen before. Look at this, they got gotcha out here. I'd play, but I don't have anywhere to put my winnings. All right, let's see what we can find. Well, I couldn't find a bathroom, but I did find this cheese bread thing that I've never seen before. So as a lover of cheese and bread, I had to give it a shot. There's things about it I like, but I think the cheese on top is very fakey cheese. Like it tastes like plastic. Other than that part, I like it. The inside part, the bread part, it's not bad. Yeah, it's okay. I'd say like a 6.5 out of 10. It's not amazing. So every single cyclist I see is crossing the bridge, which makes me really question if I'm supposed to be crossing the bridge or not. I have 3 separate maps and they all tell me not to cross the bridge. So we're going back across and we're gonna continue the way the map says. Hopefully we'll see a sign soon that says 4 rivers on it and we'll know we're good.
A few inches later.
I think we're all good. I think everyone was just crossing because of either herd mentality or just want to cross, get a picture and come back, or they're going somewhere else. But now I'm actually, well, you can see there's bathrooms behind me. All those are closed. Not very happy. I really need to find a restroom that's not closed. But I think they're closed because right now I'm passing the original campsite that I was going to go to yesterday. It's a little bit far. I could definitely have made it, but I mean, yeah, I definitely could have made it. But yeah, it is closed. It's huge, huge campsite. I was totally right about it being huge, but it's totally closed. So because of flood damage, but I mean, it looks great to me. I rode by that campsite for quite a while. It was a very big, very, very big. It was a perfect choice. I did a great job. I could have made it there yesterday. Everything would have been great. I'm really glad I realized it was closed though. Compared to yesterday, where there were hotels nearby, I'm a little bit more out in the middle of nowhere. So I would have been in some trouble. Just passed a sign that said the next restroom isn't for 7 kilometers, which kind of sucks. But we're in an area where there's literally nothing. I don't think I'm gonna be stopping and wasting any time. We're gonna just kill these 7 kilometers. No problem. Oh man, guys, I see a hill up there. Not exciting. Woo! All right, guys, we are in the middle of nowhere and rain is coming. I just checked the radar. It's coming. So we're just gonna leg it, dude. The faster we get somewhere that's not the middle of nowhere, the better. Mission Beat the Rain seems to be succeeding so far. Well, we're still in the middle of nowhere, but now we're in the middle of nowhere and the road is red. Very cool. Doesn't get much more exciting than that out here, guys. Guess I haven't done that 7 kilometers yet because I do not see a bathroom and I could use it. If it's closed, ooh, we're gonna have a problem. Aha. Now we're about to cross another bridge. Not this one, another one over there. That's a dam and we're actually supposed to cross it. Dude, I just went by a snake slithering across the road. It looked a lot like the one that guy showed me the other day. Wow. That's scary, dude. Korea really does have snakes. I looked up wildlife before I left and it was like snakes. Watch out for snakes. This looks like a place with a bathroom. Oh, I think I see one. looks like some kind of campsite. Not really sure what this is, but all I know is we got to cross this long bridge over here, and then we're at our next certification point, and that's the last one for today. We go into town, find a hotel. I'm beat. Made it to the last certification center for today. Interesting that the last one was at the beginning of a dam, like right before a dam, and this one is right after a dam. Kind of cool. There's other people getting it right now. I'll go grab it in a second. I can see the town in the back, or over there. We're almost there, not too far now, and we can take a shower, lay down, and hopefully escape any rain that's coming. All right, more and more drops are starting to fall. Who knows, it might just be a very light rain. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain that heavy, but still, we are 23 minutes away from the furthest motel or hotel. It was called J Motel on the map. I don't know that we're gonna stay at that one, but that's the furthest one. So it'll definitely get us into town. And yeah, it says 23 minutes to get to that one. So hopefully maybe even a little less than that. We'll be checked in somewhere and out of this, because I'm getting hit by drops. Okay, so what just happened is I was down there on the cycling path, and as I was going by, I saw this building with the same logo and says motel on it as the place where I stayed last night. I don't know if it's actually like a chain or if it's just a lot of the motels here all have that same logo. It's not related. I just took all the stuff off my bike, carried it up this long staircase, pushed the bike up, put it all back on, and we're gonna go check this one. If it doesn't work out, there are other motels in the area and hotels, so we want to be up here anyway. But hopefully this one's gonna work out. We're pretty much there. Made it to my room. I am really shiny. I am hot and sweaty. This room is super small. This is it. What you're saying? That's it. Well, there's a bathroom in here. The shower actually looks pretty nice. It looks nicer than the last one. The place looks nice. I mean, it feels nice. It was only 40,000 won, which is about $30. I'll take it. I'd rather be camping, but with the looks of rain coming, I don't really want to tonight. So I'm glad I found a place. I want to figure out how to work the air conditioner. I can't find the remote for it, but I guess it doesn't really matter. I might go down and ask for it in a bit. It's a little bit cold out anyway. If I just open the window, yeah, we'll probably be all right. Oh yeah, I can feel the cold air. Should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna shower, get cleaned off, and then we'll look into food. Oh, also, I need to seriously shout out to the lady working here. I came in between her very limited English and my very limited Korean. We managed to figure everything out. She helped me get the bike up here with the bags and everything to the 5th floor. Like, she really helped. She was carrying stuff and like telling me how to set the bike in the elevator and all these different things. I'm like, man, she went way out of her way. Obviously, there's no tipping culture here. In US, the stuff she did, you'd be like, dude, she's working for that tip right now. But here, they just do it because they're nice, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it was awesome. It was pretty good. It wasn't my favorite flavor ever. It's a beautiful view. How can spots like this not remind me of Philippines, you know? Bro,